Hi everybody, today we're going to go ahead and learn how to do a draw cut, or a pull cut sometimes as it's called, and we'll demonstrate it on this is a Roma tomato. So sorry about the noise in the background, we have chicken stock going. So the secret to a draw cut is a really sharp knife. That's pretty much it. So secret with all cooking really is a really sharp knife. We're going to go ahead and de-end the tomato. And we'll split this guy in half. Okay, so if your knife's not sharp enough, it's not going to go through the skin. I'm just going to tell you that right now. So with the draw cut, it's just as it sounds. We're going to go ahead and get our claw. We're going to bring our knuckles up to it, and we're just going to pull through. That's it, okay? And the goal is, you see how dry the cutting board is? The goal is when we're done, it should not be wet. You shouldn't be squishing your tomato out onto the cutting board. So what we're going to do is get our claw on our food controlling hand, and we're going to go ahead and draw, and draw, and draw, and draw, and draw, and draw. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and draw this way. It's a little bit loose, so you'll see me wiggle just a little bit. And one final draw. And that's a draw cut. So look at that cutting board. Right? Completely dry. That's all a draw cut is. Now we'll contrast that. I will still do a draw cut, but I'll do it with a small knife, because I think most of you guys have really small knives. So we'll go ahead and see if we can go ahead and draw cut with a small knife also. Right? Like butter. Like butter. Like butter. Right? Knife up against the knuckles. Right? And draw cut. And then vertically. I'm making salsa, by the way. So vertically, or the other way, whichever side you were not doing before, and I finish out. And you see, now, you notice the disadvantage of a smaller knife. I talk about, well, I can't get it all in one scoop, but I can with a bigger knife. And so I'm making salsa, but most of the salsa is where? In the bowl, and not on your cutting board. And the other item that you can kind of see here, the other item that I draw cut very often is actually cucumbers. Yeah, I'll just demonstrate. Draw cut, draw cut, draw cut. Throw that in the salsa, why not? Right? So that's a draw cut. That's it. Very, very simple. But the secret to a draw cut is a really sharp knife, so that the juice, you're not squishing the food and the juice. Your cutting board should be mostly dry. So that is a draw cut. Thank you.